So when you plus, you hit this, now it is going further to the least level of product name.
Okay.
And if you hit the minus sign on the topmost one, okay, it will roll up to the highest level, and again clicking the plus will take to the next immediate level, that is subcategory.
Okay.
Just 1 second, I'm using on my battery. So up to this point is clear, right?
Yes.
So there may be cases, okay, when we don't want the drill down functionality anymore, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't want the drill down for subcategory. So as of now, it is part of this products hierarchy, right? So whenever I'm adding subcategory and sales, always it is coming with a plus sign, and the user can click on it to drill down product name, and it will clutter the view. There are too many products. Each time I add subcategory anywhere on my workbook, because of the hierarchy, this plus sign is coming, and clicking on it will, decrease my visualization to a very small level because of too many rows on the product name. So if you don't want that kind of a thing, you can just remove that subcategory out of it. Okay, that is one way.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can dissolve the entire hierarchy also. Remove hierarchy. Everything is fine. Okay, got the point. Drag this one out is one option, or right click on hierarchy, say remove hierarchy is another option. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
The next is there may be instances when it is useful to have a field in the hierarchy, but you also want the functionality to be used it by its own. So I want subcategory to be part of product hierarchy, but I also want subcategory to be alone. So I just see subcategory and sales without the plus sign against subcategory. So in some other view, I'll use this subcategory without hierarchy to visualize data.
Okay.
That is without a drill down option I want. Or you can say category itself I want to put on the visualization, but I don't want the user to use the drill down.
Okay.
In that case, I can right click on this and say duplicate, and I'll have this category copy, which I can use it without the drill down. See, I don't have the drill down over here.
Oh, okay, okay.
If I use the regular ones, that is from the products hierarchy, you will have the drill down always enabled. But this one, which is a copy, does not have the drill down.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is the other way which you can use, like the instances when we want it to be a part of hierarchy, but also we want a copy of it, which you use in other graphs without the drill down option. So then you can duplicate and you can use it. So I will stop at this point. Okay. We'll continue tomorrow with the date hierarchies and a concept called fiscal date. And, then we'll move on to Tableau charts. That is a different visualization of Tableau. So we'll see the basic graphs in Tableau, how to create them, so that
Mm-hmm.
you will start it using accustomed to the interface of Tableau completely.
Okay.
Till now it is fine, right? Any questions?
Yes. No.
Yeah. So just practice this part of creating hierarchies.
Okay.
How do you practice the concept of grouping? Just check out how it is different and try to duplicate the things from the hierarchy and see how it is useful. So I can,
Sunil, I have
yeah,
a query.
yeah,
So yeah, actually, I have requested you for the resume,
yeah,
Sunil.
yeah. I gave it to Arun actually. Did he inform you?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I went through them,
Yeah,
Sunil. The thing is,
yeah,
they are, I mean, they are like sample resumes. The
yeah.
thing is, I wanted some a project like with understanding, Sunil. Like, if they ask me something, I need to tell them like what was the requirements in the project and or like how it went through, like how we do in the company, something
Yeah,
that.
that after you understand this entire thing, all I can tell like what I mean. No? So if I tell now,
Oh,
it's a you won't be able to follow like what I'm saying. You can't be able to explain it. So you can use the roles, the roles whatever are there in that resumes, how they have
yeah,
put, what responsibilities they have put. You can put the same things. Just
yeah,
go through the project, whatever they have in the description, what role they have played in the project. Put them in your
yeah.
resume as of now. But if you want to
Okay.
explain that, you have to wait in the course
Till the
because
end of the
yeah,
song. Yeah,
because
even
even
I
if you say
understand.
now, you
Yeah,
can't be able to say it with the same level of confidence because you
true,
haven't
true.
seen what is happening, right? So
Yeah,
if
true.
you
I
get
mean, the
there,
end, how we publish
yeah,
and all.
yeah.
Yeah,
Till you get that point, if I tell at the end, then you can compare with the roles and responsibilities, and then you can say to them like, yeah, I have done this part, I have been involved in this.
yeah,
So we had this
yeah.
scenario. You can explain it. But if I
Okay.
say
And
now, it will be tough for you to remember, and you can't replicate it also to them.
sure. And Sunil, another thing, like when would be the last day of this like training, Sunil, like
Like
approximately?
we are up to 6 days now, right? So 18 days more. So we have missed something in between, right? Two classes in between. So
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
try to cover it up. Like whenever I'm working from home, I'll extend it by half an hour. And
Okay.
any weekends, like you can join, like both of them.
Yeah,
Like
any weekend is fine, Sunil, for me.
Pranisha, how about you?
Um, like in the morning or
Yeah, in the morning.
your morning?
Yeah, my morning. So Saturday morning is maybe it is your Friday evening.
Uh, I can't do Friday and Saturday.
Okay.
Can you do like your Sunday, your evening?
My,
No, right?
Sunday, my evening. Yeah, that would be Sunday morning, right?
Yeah, my Sunday morning.
So I'll check out my program and say like wherever is possible, I'll inculcate 1 or 2 classes
Yeah,
extra.
you can tell that to Arun and he can
Yeah,
like
yeah. So
yeah.
Divya, like
Yeah,
based
yeah.
on all of our timings, I'll add in like any
Okay.
weekend class also, so that we
Yeah,
can
sure, sure, Sunil.
cover extra. So as
Yeah,
of
sure.
now, by schedule, we
Yeah.
have more 18 days to go. So we'll
Okay.
try to cover it up a little faster. Like since we have missed out two
Yeah,
days in
yeah.
between, so we
Yeah.
will cover it up whenever it's there.
Yeah, so and also so like when we finish the understanding, like basic
Hmm.
understanding of the tool, you'll give us some exercise also, so like to do some queries or
Yeah, yeah.
something.
I will give you some questions, practical questions, where you can
Okay.
try out these concepts. So they
Okay,
are
sure.
based on this Tableau Desktop Qualified Associate exam. So if you can solve those questions, like it will give you an understanding how to pass the exam also.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So I'll stop this now. Okay,
Okay.
we'll meet tomorrow then. Okay,
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Have a good one. Bye.